we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Baikemon 20V 14-inch cordless lawn mower. Consists of the following features. The Baikemon 14-inch brushless lawn mower is a compact and efficient solution for small yards, gardens, and outdoor spaces. Its 14-inch working width allows for smooth and effortless mowing while covering just the right amount of ground for everyday use. Powered by a high-speed brushless motor, 3,400 RPM, it delivers strong, consistent performance with less noise, longer runtime, and reduced maintenance. Designed for convenience, it is compatible with DEWALT 20V Max XR batteries, less or equal 8.0 Ah, perfect for users who already own DEWALT tools, battery and charger not included. With 3 adjustable cutting heights, 1.18 to 2.36 inch, you can easily adapt to different lawn conditions, while the lightweight 19.8 pounds design and foldable handle make it easy to carry, store, and transport. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.